Really quick video today about becoming a millionaire investing in currency. And no tricks, I'm going to show you how you can literally become a millionaire overnight. Now, last week, we had somebody asking about currency investing, and I assumed this was Forex or some other similar type of currency play, but they were actually asking about a company that was selling specialty currency. So literally cash money, you buy it through the mail, it's sent to you in a big box, and specifically in this case, it was money from Iraq and Vietnam. So as the story goes, these countries have currency that is highly undervalued. And because their infrastructure and their economies are improving, their money supposedly is destined to gain in value. Now, as the U.S. economy might start to struggle, the U.S. dollar in turn might start to drop in value, and this box of money that you have becomes worth a whole lot more. Now, obviously, as the company is selling you this money at a premium, they're motivated to give you the best case scenario. Now, some suggestions were that eventually these currencies are going to be on par with the US dollar, making you extremely rich. So this is a brick of Vietnamese 1,000 dong notes. So it's 1 million dong. And those of you who are in the cartels know that a single strap of currency, you can see there's 10 straps in here, is 100 notes, and a brick is 10 straps. And that stands the same for any currency, and your total brick value is going to vary depending on the individual size of the banknote. So if you've got a brick of US $100 bills, you are doing okay. So these notes, they're 1,000 dong, 100 notes per strap, 10 straps, making this 1 million Vietnamese dong, a $1 million dong brick. Now, if you have one of these, you can buy these anywhere, you are literally a millionaire. At least a millionaire in Vietnam. Now, in the USA, the value is about $100, and I paid a little bit more for the brick than market value because it's an uncirculated brick, it's completely sealed. But you can buy individual large denomination notes for about as low as $60 per 1 million Vietnamese dong. Now, some companies are also suggesting that in addition to the dong, the Iraqi dinar may at some point in time revalue their currency, which is going to make anyone who is holding these Iraqi dinars wealthy overnight. And these companies, they use the same old tactics. One company founder, Joshua J. Hansen, told investors that he was best friends with the president of the IMF, had a special contract with the DOD, and had a bank account with $4 billion in it. Now, he was arrested in 2016, made to return about $2 million to investors. But what I wonder is, how do you raise $2 million from people when a single Google search yields dozens of warnings against this hard currency scheme that continues to resurface year after year after year? So I just want people to know, if you've been told about this hard currency scheme of how sometimes there's this loophole or angle where you can buy these currencies and become wealthy overnight, and it's generally unsophisticated investors that are gravitating towards it, just give it a second thought. Don't buy a ton of this stuff thinking you're going to become a millionaire. Now, is it fun to give these as a gift? Sure. Is it fun to have this sitting on your desk? Maybe. Is it fun to finally call yourself a millionaire without lying? Possibly. But the chance that the Vietnamese dong or the Iraqi dinar ever goes anywhere near the US dollar is highly unlikely. In fact, despite the Vietnamese economy continually improving over the last few years, the currency has dropped even further. Please like and subscribe. We're also going to be covering a lot more crazy stuff like this on the new channel. I'll put that link above. Comments down below. We're going to give you bonus points for jokes about a currency that's called the dong. Thank you very much for watching.